Hey everyone, ever feel like your blood pressure is doing a little too much? Like it's working overtime and you're not even getting paid for it? Well, what if I told you that one of the most powerful tools to get it in check is sitting right on your dinner plate? Today we're talking about the DASH diet, and trust me, it's not as intimidating as it sounds. So what exactly is DASH? It stands for Dietary Approaches to Stop Hypertension. It's less of a strict diet and more of a flexible, heart-healthy eating plan. Think of it as a lifestyle upgrade for your arteries. And why should you even care? Well, high blood pressure or hypertension is often called the silent killer. It can quietly damage your arteries, heart, brain, and kidneys without you even feeling it. The DASH diet is a scientifically backed, non-pharmaceutical way to fight back, lowering your risk of heart attack, stroke, and kidney failure. It's about taking control of your health, one bite at a time. So how does this magic work? The DASH diet's power comes from a team of nutrients. It's rich in potassium, calcium, magnesium, and fiber, which all work together to help lower blood pressure. At the same time, it's low in sodium, saturated fat, and added sugars, the stuff that makes your blood pressure spike. It's a beautifully simple, synergistic approach. Let's break down what your plate should look like. Imagine filling half your plate with colorful fruits and vegetables. Think berries, bananas, spinach, and broccoli. Then a quarter of your plate should be whole grains like oatmeal, brown rice, or whole wheat bread. The last quarter is for lean protein, chicken, fish, beans, or lentils. Top it off with a sprinkle of nuts or seeds and a side of low-fat dairy like yogurt. See, it's not about deprivation, it's about abundance, making the switches easier than you think. It's all about smart swaps. Instead of that salty bag of chips for a snack, grab an apple with a handful of almonds. Instead of white bread for your sandwich, choose whole wheat. Swap that sugary soda for sparkling water with a squeeze of lemon. And when you're cooking, try using herbs and spices for flavor instead of just piling on the salt. These small changes add up to huge results. So what does a full day on DASH look like? You could start your morning with a bowl of oatmeal topped with fresh berries and a sprinkle of walnuts. For lunch, maybe a big salad with grilled chicken, tons of veggies, and a light vinaigrette. For dinner, how about baked salmon with a side of quinoa and roasted asparagus? And for snacks, a pear or a small tub of Greek yogurt. Delicious, right? Now for the proof. This isn't just some wellness fad. Major studies funded by the National Institutes of Health have shown that the DASH diet can lower blood pressure in as little as 2 weeks. Some people see a drop of 8 to 14 points, which is comparable to the effect of some blood pressure medications. The science is solid, and the benefits don't stop at blood pressure because it's so balanced. The DASH diet can also help you lose weight, lower your cholesterol, and reduce your risk of diabetes and even some types of cancer. It's a total body wellness plan disguised as a blood pressure solution. Here's a metaphor to tie it all together. Think of your circulatory system as a network of city pipes. A diet high in salt and saturated fat is like pouring sludge into those pipes, causing pressure to build up and creating blockages. The DASH diet, on the other hand, is like a high-powered, nutrient-rich cleaning crew. It flushes out the system, reduces the pressure, and keeps everything flowing smoothly. So the big takeaway: you have incredible power over your health. The DASH diet isn't a temporary fix. It's a sustainable, delicious, and scientifically proven way to protect your heart for the long haul. It's about nourishing your body, not just feeding it. So next time you're at the grocery store, think DASH. Your heart will thank you for it. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, give it a like and share it with someone you know. And let me know in the comments which of these foods is your favorite.